Thank you, Mr. Speaker, say, and I also thank the honourable member. Mr. Speaker, say, I wish to provide a brief update on the National Minimum Wage Survey that was conducted in 2019. Mr. Speaker, say, in terms of background, the first national minimum wage of $2 was enforced on 1st of March 2014, and within a span of 1.5 years, the new wage rate of $2.32 was adjusted and came into force from 1st of July 2015. Mr. Speaker said the national minimum wage was again reviewed in 2017. The survey was undertaken in the formal and informal sectors in 2017 throughout Fiji, and as a result, Cabinet endorsed the national minimum wage of $2.68 per hour. Mr. Speaker said there are 10 sectors which have different minimum wage rates. And $2.68 hour is not the only minimum wage that is set for all sectors. There are 10 sectors, Mr. Speaker said. Printing, wholesale and retail trades, hotel and catering, garment industry, sawmilling and logging industry, road transport, building and civil electrical engineering, manufacturing industry, mining and quarry, and security services. Mr. Speaker said, my ministry conducted a nationwide survey in 2019. The survey was conducted in both the formal and informal sector. The purpose of this consultation was to meet and hear the workers, employers, and public at large on the review. Mr. Speaker said the consultations were held in Lambasa, Sabu Sabu, Suva, Singatoka, Nendi, Lutoka, Ba, Tabua, and Reki. Mr. Speaker said draft report was prepared to be presented to the Employment Relation Advisory Board, which is a tripartite forum. But Mr. Speaker said that could not happen because of the COVID-19 pandemic. It's so unfortunate that after we did all the hard work and the good work was disrupted by this COVID-19. But Mr. Speaker said moving forward, my ministry is in consultation with the consultant to prepare a report with recommendation considering the current economic situation to be tabled in Cabinet. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.